Hi guys, David Wynn here, and today I'm going to break down a little bit about Celsius Network and Celsius Wallet and why I freaking love it. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. David Wynn, August University. So yeah, today I just wanted to do a short and sweet video regarding Celsius Network and why I freaking love it. I've been in Celsius Network for, I think, just maybe about a month in now. What I freaking love about it is you're gonna earn interest, okay? You're gonna earn interest every single week based on your investment in cryptocurrency, okay? You know, US and Canadian banks and international banks are paying 1%. Okay, 1% or less. And they're talking about, you know, banks actually going into the negative, as in, if you had $100,000 and you put in the bank, it's going to cost you money for them to hold your cash. Does that make sense at all? It does not. All right. So that's why you got to look outside the box. That's why you got to think outside the box. Innovative projects, innovative companies, right? Like Apple before it became big with iPhone and everything else. Google before it became Google and YouTube, right? Amazon, everyone thought that Amazon was nothing because they just sold ebooks. Look at them now, right? The biggest company in the world, I think. One of them anyway. So you got to think outside the box, okay? So when it comes to finance, you think the banking system has changed much over the last 30, 40 years? Not really, okay? The government's printing out money. You got to look at your options. So the breakdown of Celsius Network. I didn't mean to go on a rant, guys. I'm just like passionate about this stuff. So don't put all your cryptocurrencies in Celsius, right? Put some of it. But if you really trust the brand, really trust the company, which I do, Alex knows what he's doing. He discovered voice over internet protocol, okay? $1 billion in exits, all right? So he knows what he's doing. So a little bit about Celsius. So what you do is when you open up the app here, you can see the full breakdown. You can see the wallet. You can see the transfers. You can see withdrawal. There's never any fees at all. No fees when it comes to Celsius, okay? Only time you're gonna pay any kind of fee is if you purchase cryptocurrency right in the app, and it's about I think it's about a 3%, and that's through the provider that allows you to buy through credit card or debit Visa, right? Or debit MasterCard. So the wallet holds your cryptocurrencies, and you can check the balance here. So I have 5.8 Ethereum in this situation here, and you can see the breakdown of where your Ethereum is. I've only had it in since, you know, October, okay? And then you can see where it's at for the day, week, month, etc. And you can see your total earnings as well. So for the month, my earnings is about $12 for having Ethereum in here, okay? And I chose to get paid out in some Ethereum, and then I switched over to Cell, which means that you get the, you know, the Cell altcoin, okay? And I'll explain that in a minute. So Celsius Network has its own altcoin. I, at the moment, have about 728 Cell, and I plan on purchasing more because, you know, Cell actually had a 2,000% increase over the last, I think, year or 2 years. Anyways, it's huge. And the reason why is because they're doing something outside the box. They're doing something different, right? Unique in the space. So when you look here, all you have to do is transfer your coins here. You can either buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other, sorry, I should pay attention here, available coins. So all these other coins here, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, there's so many, right? Litecoin, Zcash, XRP, Stellar, and it tells you the little interest percentage you get paid out if you get paid out in Cell, okay? Pax Gold, USD coin, Tether. You know, the interest rates are actually huge in comparison to anything else in the market, okay? But what I like is that these guys are a real company. They get on calls every single week. Alex is on calls every single week on Fridays, breaking down the business, showing you where they spend their money, how they pay out everybody. They spend 80% of the money that comes in gets paid out to in interest to the customers, okay? To investors. So let's take a look at that, okay? Community info. They're very transparent on what's going on here. Celsius accounts, 209,556 members. That's a huge community and it's growing. I foresee it being in the millions by next year. Hopefully, if people smarten up, okay? Total assets, that's a big number. We're talking 1,596,000,000, etc. Most popular coin is Bitcoin, you know, old man Bitcoin, BTC. You can see everything here, okay? Total BTC withdrawals. They're very transparent on what's going on. Very transparent. You can see the sell change versus Ethereum and Bitcoin, okay? Look at the chart, guys. Look how much sell has increased over the last while, okay? That's ginormous, right? You can see the number of transactions. You can see amount sent. You can see everything. Now, if you have a certain amount of holdings in sell versus the rest of your assets on the platform, you get paid out a bonus for holding more sell, okay? So you get the platinum if you have more percentage of your portfolio, a certain percentage of your portfolio in sell, which I believe in anyways because it's quickly growing. There's also an affiliate referral system you can get from inviting people. How that works, and I'll have my link below, guys. If you sign up and deposit at least $200 and leave it for at least 30 days, accumulating interest, by the way, you're gonna get $20 in Bitcoin. I'm gonna get $20 in Bitcoin. So that's a win-win situation. So I got some people signed up here. This is a way for you to make some additional income as well if you believe in this project, which I very much do. You should as well. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. Definitely not an accountant. But yeah, to deposit, all you have to do is click on a wallet. And let's say you want to deposit some Celsius in this, right? I can buy Celsius, hitting buy, right? There's a simplex charges at 3.5% or at least a minimum of $10 on your money. Minimum fee with a special rate of 2.99 for EEA and UK residents. All right. Not bad though. Not bad for a quick instant purchase. Okay. That's one way. Another way, if you're a little more advanced, is you can use something like Uniswap and exchange your Ethereum for Cell token. Okay. You can do Cell Pay, send out money to other people. So you can share a link with your preferred apps, or you can send contacts, and you can send each other money or even email. All right. What else? If I wanted to transfer some Cell token here, if I have it on one of the other exchanges, like there's an exchange called Liquid, I believe Bitfinex, a few other exchanges are starting to accept Cell. And this would be my wallet. So if you guys want to send me Cell token, go for it. This is the address. But I just copy that address and then go to my other exchange wallet and paste it in here. This is where I would send it, okay? And that's pretty much it, guys. And you can see it go up and down as Cell grows. And what I really love about the platform, guys, I love it, is every week you're getting a payout. Every week you're getting paid, okay? So you can check out the reward. What am I doing here? Check out the rewards here, right? So my rewards for the month, I only started just under a month. I know it's not a ton of money, guys, but it's $19 USD. I'm getting paid interest on my holdings, okay? So I'm still gaining value. Okay, from cryptocurrency moving upwards, because I really believe in Ethereum. I really believe in Bitcoin. I really believe in Cell, right? Probably gonna toss some XRP in here too. And every single week, you're getting paid out interest on your assets, okay? Every week, not every month, not every year, every week. So what that really means is when you see a percentage of how much you earn, it's actually much more than this, because you're earning every week, you're gaining more interest. As you gain more interest, you're making interest next week on that new balance. Okay. So as you're growing every week, you're making additional interest on that new balance. So you're actually maximizing, multiple layers of interest here. So every week you're getting more money, and then you're going to make interest on the higher, bigger chunk of the balance. Okay. Sorry about the noise there. So my last one, let's take a look here. I got paid in sell for my Ethereum, $3.58, right? Before that, I got $3.20 on my Ethereum for getting paid out in Ethereum, okay? Now that I'm getting paid out in sell, it was $3.58, right? So it's gonna keep stacking and stacking and stacking, and I'm gonna keep getting rewards. While the government's having all kinds of stuff going on, while there's rallies, while there's political stuff happening, government's printing money, we're making interest here. We're making interest, we're not worried. Don't put all your savings and every single dollar that you have to your name on the platform, but you need to start opening up your mind and trying new things, right? Watch some of the news by Celsius Network and see, join the AMAs every Friday and see what they're doing, okay? But no company is this transparent when it comes to what they're doing, right? Another cool thing is you can actually borrow money at a very, very low rate, okay? Low interest rates. I'm not talking 17, 10%, 30% interest here on all those places that want you to borrow money to pay off your debts, and they charge you 40%. That's just ridiculous, guys. You can utilize your assets. Let's say if I want to utilize my Ethereum here, right? And I want a little loan, 500 minimum now. So let's say if I want to borrow $500, pay off some credit cards or something, right? I need 5.2 Ethereum as collateral. So the reason why they're making profits is when people get a loan, they can't just run with the money. You're going to have more money than you're borrowing in the platform, right? As collateral. So people can't just run with the money. It's just smart, right? It's a business. Everyone's here to be profitable here, and they want to make money for their investors, okay? So I can get a loan here, 25% loan to value percentage, 33% or 50. And as you change this, you can see how much I'm paying, per year, per month, total. So let's say if I want to do a loan for 1 year time frame, if I can, yeah, there you go. 1 year time frame with the 25% loan to value percentage, I'm paying 41 cents. Whoop, sorry guys. 41 cents a month. Can you afford that? Can you afford that? Yeah, right? Let's say if, I'm a little bit more, I want to hold a little longer. I guess I can do a 2-year payment plan. I'm going to pay $10 total for 2 years of loan. Like, this is crazy. 3 years, $15 I'm paying. Kind of insane, guys. Kind of insane. You can do a loan to value percentage a little higher, and then obviously the pricing is going to go up a little. But it's as simple as that. There's no credit check. There's none of that. So what you can do is you can get a loan in USD dollars and get sent to your bank account, or you can get a loan in like USD stablecoin, etc. Right? So this is huge if you want to invest into some cryptocurrencies while they're down, on some dips, whatever. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick breakdown on Celsius Network, why I love it, kind of how the earnings work there. Once again, I'm going to go, look how quick it is to withdraw too, right? I just choose, hold on here. I can choose which one I want to withdraw here, and then how much. I can do all of it, and I just withdraw. There's no fees at all. No fees at all, okay? I'll withdraw my Bitcoin. all of it with no fees at all. If you need to transfer it to another exchange, go for it. I like to hodl. I like to keep some in the exchange with some here. It's not financial advice, guys, but let's be real here. I'm at the platinum level, right? I'm at the platinum level, had to be. But you know, if you guys want to make money and earn interest on your cryptocurrency, here's another strategy, guys. You guys buy USD. Let's go to earnings here. I want to go available coins. Let's say you have a bunch of money burning a hole in your pocket in the bank, or you know, something like that. Let's say you invest into Tether, okay? You can make deposit Tether. So Tether's paying in Canada here 13.86%, okay? That's much more than 1% or negative. So you take the $100,000 you have in the bank, just burning a hole in your pocket or whatever, buy a stable coin that you trust, USD coin or Tether or whatever, right? And then deposit in Celsius and then make 13.86% on your money. And just kind of leave it there, hang out, get paid interest every single week on your money rather than the bank, right? Why not? That's a quick flip right there. And when you're ready to invest in other assets, you can here, right? Anyways, this is just a quick breakdown. This is David Wynn, August University again. I appreciate you guys. Please destroy the like button, right? Please destroy the like button. Hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I appreciate all of you guys. And yeah, if you want to get in and earn $20 on your money when you make a deposit of $200 minimum and hold for 30 days, then click on my referral link below. If you don't care about the referral that much, you just want to help the channel, I have an affiliate link as well below. That's not going to earn you anything, but it does help my channel out. I appreciate everyone that does that as well. And I appreciate you guys for subscribing, checking out my content. This is David Wynn, August University. See you in the next video.